Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Odyssey songs on piano. To begin, search for sheet music or online tutorials for your favorite tunes. Focus on understanding the melody for your right hand and the bass line for your left hand. Break down each song into smaller, manageable sections. Practice these parts slowly and accurately, gradually increasing your speed as you gain confidence. This foundational approach will set you up for success. Mastering a few essential piano techniques will greatly enhance your playing. Always maintain a relaxed hand position with curved fingers, promoting agility and preventing tension. Develop finger independence through targeted exercises. Incorporate a metronome into your practice routine to build a steady rhythm. Pay close attention to dynamics, playing softly or loudly as indicated, and articulation, which refers to how notes are played, to bring the music to life. Super Mario Odyssey features many memorable songs perfect for piano. Jump Up, Superstar is a fantastic, energetic piece that many pianists enjoy. For a more atmospheric experience, try Fossil Falls, with its beautiful, flowing melody. Be aware that some advanced arrangements might include intricate chord voicings and rapid scale passages, requiring dedicated practice. Start with simpler arrangements and gradually challenge yourself with more complex versions as your skills grow. Consistent practice is key to mastering these songs. Aim for at least 30 minutes of focused practice each day, breaking it into shorter sessions if needed. Explore online resources like YouTube tutorials, sheet music websites, and piano forums for additional learning and community support. If you encounter significant challenges, consider seeking guidance from a piano teacher. Their personalized feedback can help refine your technique and accelerate your progress, making your musical journey more rewarding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.